Hello, my beautiful friends. One of my friends asked me to post a video on how to make my morning matcha. Well, as you see, I have some milk and I put an ice cube in it. I have oat milk here. You can use any type of milk you like, normal milk, goat milk, I don't know, almond milk or any other. Then, if you want to have hot, you can just steam it up, or you can just heat it as much as you want. The less, the better, of course. Never forget to soak your whisk, of course, whisk, in hot water in order to make these, because it is wooden, so that's why you need to make these spikes, let's say, soft. This way they will not break or they would not be too hard. Then I'm adding my matcha powder. Don't forget to sift it because it is very important not to have any lumps in your latte. So I add this amount, like 1 spoon, like that spoon is like for matcha. But if you like less, or if you cannot tolerate the taste of matcha, add less. Then with another normal wooden spoon, try to sieve it out and use a very nice sieve in order to have a great smooth powder. As you see here, I have a very smooth powder, so we don't want to have any lumps. Afterwards, it's time to add water. Now, for adding water, you need to add a little amount, not a lot, because it makes your matcha latte watery and you don't really want it. After adding that, we have two methods for whisking. One is W. As you see, I write a W with my whisk, or M. W or M, no differences. So this way you go and you come back. You go and you come back, W, writing W, following the W shape. And the other way is to just whisk it around like stirring, writing an O, That way is another method, but I like W. I find the W whisking better, or it tastes better, or I just imagine. So I'm going to write small W in my, as you see. Okay, I go with W form. I continue until I have a good foam on my mixture. As you see, I'm building it up. You see, I have a good foam on it, and it shows that my matcha is getting ready. Of course, you need to whisk it for a good time, not too much, but not too little. Let's see. If you do not whisk it enough, what will happen? Right now, I'm going to show you what will happen. If you do not whisk it enough, then you will find some lumps. It means that you will have some pieces that you cannot, you will have a huge amount, like, I don't know, like a piece of wet matcha stuck together. As you see here, I have a good foam. I could pour, but what I saw is that there is a big chunk there. So it shows that I need to continue whisking and I need to get rid of it. I need to dissolve it. So I continued whisking until that piece would be dissolved. Of course, it is hot, so never forget that your ice cube will melt a little. If you do not like, you're supposed to mix it with your milk and then put your ice there. Okay, I guess it's enough. So I will pour my matcha mixture over my milk. I will get all the foam. I love it. And here it is. I have my morning matcha latte. If you like, you can add any type of syrup. If you like, you can add maple syrup or just normal honey. Some people go unhealthy and they add, I don't know, caramel, strawberry syrup or so on. But I like it very simple because I really like the taste of matcha. It depends on you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm not a professional. This is a disclaimer. I'm not a professional. I am just making my own homemade morning matcha. Enjoy!